What's up? We're at a Hipcamp out in Pemberton and I want to show you one of my favorite camping recipes, but first, gotta hit the sauna. Today we're making one of my favorite camping meals, Oyakodon. It's quick, it's delicious, and like all camping meals should be, it's easy. So check it out. So first we put 5 tablespoons of soy sauce into the pan. Then we add in our mirin, same ratio. Then we bring in our sugar. Seems like a lot. It's because it is. Mix it all together. It's easier when you don't do it on a slant, like I'm doing it on, but you make do. You want most of this sugar as dissolved as possible. This is what we're gonna use for our rice. This is cooked white rice. I get this at like a Korean supermarket or like an H-Mart or whatever your Asian grocery store might be. I would recommend looking for this, and this is great for backpacking, for car camping, for anything that you could use and wanted rice for. This is the closest thing that I feel like you can come to your home cooked rice. So get some of these, they're so worth it. So we're gonna add our oil in while our water boils. Just a little bit to get the onions going and the chicken. Alright, so our onions going in. You want these cut into like the half moon shape. So you can pre-cut these, or you can just cut them when you're there. Try and be better at cutting than I am. So once your onions get a little bit softer, you can just add in your chicken. So I pre-cut this, but you can cut this on trail or at camp, whatever works for you. We just want to break it down a bit. I'm so excited actually, I'm so hungry. So I'm just trying to get a little bit of color on here, and then I'm gonna add some water, and we're just gonna create our dashi stock. I'm adding about a cup and a half, but who measures when they're camping? So I add some of this dashi in, and we're just gonna mix it around here. Chicken and the onion. So good. So now that we have our dashi broth in here, I'm gonna add back in our soy sauce, mirin, and sugar. Mix. Yeah, this is coming together. So while our chicken is cooking, at the same time we're gonna scramble our eggs. So just crack 6 eggs is what I'm using today into here. It's gonna be a full Oyakodon today. Oh! So for our eggs, when we scramble them, we don't need to scramble them all the way, just because there's going to be a bit of egg white and a bit of egg yolk in there. So we just scramble it just a little bit. So you just want to be able to see all parts still. I'll show you what that looks like. So something like this consistency is what you want to be going for. So now that we're going to add our egg in, we're just going to turn ourselves down to as low as we can go. So as much of a simmer as we can. So we don't want to overcook the egg too much. I just want to taste the sauce just to make sure that we're okay here. Yeah, that's delicious. So we're gonna slowly add our egg in. So this is probably the most tedious process, but we're gonna add it in. So now that we've got our egg, chicken, and onions are done, we're gonna put it into our pan. So now ideally you have a bowl or like something that fits the size of your pan, but mine's a bit too small. So I'm gonna cut it because we're camping and we're just gonna make it happen. Just try and cut. It's the same size. How it tastes. When I tried it, it tastes delicious. To top it off, just a bit of green onion. Now for the best part, I get to go enjoy my meal, enjoy the beautiful views. Catch you next time.